Hi, I'm Bob McBride, MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks, and hey, today I'm with you on this 250 Sunliner that we just got in. I did a video on this about 4 weeks ago when it was in shrink wrap. Now it is uncovered and at the Overland Park Boat Show. It is gorgeous. It's got the desert camel pillow top upholstery on it. This is a center walk-through. So you've got lots of seating. This one is powered by a 300 Mercury. This boat will scoot. This will get you anywhere you need to go on the Lake of the Ozarks, and it'll get you there quickly. Some of the things that are new for the Sunliner this year, we've got this diamond stitch upholstery. The mouse holes with the cup holders, USB ports everywhere on both sides, all through this boat. Nice large bimini up on top. Nice beige seagrass flooring. This particular boat has got the in-floor ski locker here, and we've got 2 dual helm seats with the flip-up bolsters. Great option. These are not stripped down versions. These are loaded. This one's got a 9-inch Simrad. It's got a chart with all the Lake of the Ozarks. It will also have all your engine functions, fish finders, everything. Nice JL audio system, 6 speakers and an amp built into it. And the other thing that you'll notice down here on the floor, this has RGB lighting. When I say it's not stripped, these light strips will change. We can change the frequencies, the colors. It's all included. This boat is value priced, so come see us at the Overland Park Boat Show. And if you can't get down there to the show today, come see us at the Lake of the Ozarks, and tune in next week for another session of Bobby Fresh giving you tune times.